Hello everyone, Peyton Burdett, Senior Front-End Engineer on Pipeline Execution. Here to showcase slash demo a refactor underway. So on the pipeline show page, we have different tabs to kind of get more granular with your CI. The jobs tab right here was in Haml and Rails, and recently I've been going through another refactor of refactoring the jobs index page behind a feature flag, and I'm reusing some of that code here. So if we go to the jobs page, it is now in Vue and GraphQL with a little bit different layout, and also it is now mobile. Oh, come on down. So you can kind of see how the table breaks down for a better mobile experience. Another cool thing is now a little bit better UX too. We're using a skeleton loader now to load the jobs. I'd also like to show this is all using Vue and GraphQL now, by the way. I have a test project right here, lots of jobs project. Oops, let me go to that view. This is actually a different refactor I'm doing behind the feature flag. But if we go back to pipelines, this particular pipeline, you'll see that this project has 221 jobs. It's kind of taking a little bit for that pipeline view to load. But if we come to the jobs tab, we load the first 20. In the old Haml implementation, we would have loaded all 221 jobs. So here we load the first 20, and as you scroll down to the bottom, we track that, and once you hit the bottom, we will then show a loading icon and fetch the next 20, and then once you come down, we'll fetch the next 20 again, and so forth. So I'm hoping this helps a good bit with performance as well. And the cool thing about this refactor that's been going on for a few months now is I started off here redoing all of this to Vue and GraphQL as well. So this table is being reused for this part of the code base as well. Let me bring my code editor over here. We also kind of show you the code structure a little bit. So here's the query for get pipelines jobs. We have a bundle here that has different selectors on the page, and you can see right here we do a try catch. If the feature flag is enabled, then we will inject the app, but we will not do that elsewise for the code. If you come to this jobs directory, there's a single file here called jobs app, and what it does is mounts skeleton loader. We use an intersection observer for infinite scrolling, and then we have the jobs table here with our Apollo query. And once we hit the bottom of the page, we hit the fetch more jobs function, where we pass in some variables and a cursor, and then we update the query results of the new data. And kind of where all this the bulk of the code lives, if you go to jobs table view, jobs components table, all the cells are broken down into singular components. So like the action cell, the duration cell, the job cell, the pipeline cell. Then we have our GraphQL for fragments, our mutations for retrying jobs, playing jobs, our queries, and then we have like our top level component here that handles pagination, error handling, and all of that. And then here's the table that injects all of those cells. Thank you.